Hey Baes, it's Rissa May. You may notice I'm in a different location. It's because I'm upstairs in my house and I'm sitting at the piano. I decided that I'm gonna do a night routine tonight because I am fresh out of videos to post. So here's my nighttime routine for summer time, 2022. It is 9:38 and I'm gonna start getting ready for bed because I have nothing better to do, so love that for me. First thing I do is take off all the jewelry that I'm wearing. So I do that. I got my Apple Watch and my 2 bracelets. I thought it would also be fun while I'm doing this I saw this girl do a video called like telling you fun facts about me while I get ready. So thought I'd do that. If you're new here, my full name is Clarissa, but I go by Rissa on here, so that's fun. If you want to know where I got the name Rissa May more specifically, Rissa was a nickname that my friend in high school gave me, and it was just like a nickname. And then May was from my friend in middle school. She called me Clarissa May because she thought it sounded cute, so I thought it was a good tribute to my 2 friends that both gave me nicknames, which my family's not into nicknames, and my parents specifically gave me a name that couldn't be shortened so that I wouldn't have a nickname, but they found a way around it and they gave me nicknames, so I thought it was a good tribute to my past friends. So now I'm gonna get in my pajamas. Okay, now I'm in my pajamas. So now I'm gonna take my pills because I also take melatonin when I need to wake up early so that I sleep through the whole night. So I'm gonna go take my pills. She thinks my pills are treats. That's awkward. Lucky for them, I actually have dog treats in here. One for you. Oh! I wish you could have seen that. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So 3, 2, 1. Now we're in the bathroom. Another fun fact about me, I forgot to do one for my pills, is I have 2 birthmarks. I have one on the back of my neck, which I've had my whole life, obviously, because it's a birthmark, but I didn't know about it until my sophomore year of high school. So yeah. And then I have another one on my finger. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see it? I don't know if you can. Maybe it'd be better if I covered the light a little bit. But yeah, birthmark. So that's cool. Okay, now I'm gonna brush my teeth. And I use cinnamon toothpaste because another fun fact, mint, like the flavor of mint, makes me gag. So. Kitty, what you looking at? Hmm? What are you doing on the toilet? I have freshly brushed teeth, and now I do 2 steps at once. First thing I do is put in mouthwash, which is also cinnamon flavored, so that I don't throw up, okay? And then I also take off my makeup at the same time. I use the micellar cleaning eco pads and the micellar cleansing water because another fun fact, my skin is really sensitive, and so I have to use very sensitive stuff to take off my makeup, more specifically like makeup wipes. Horrible for my skin. I break out and it's like super painful. So another fun fact is my biggest insecurity is my eyebrows. Not these eyebrows. I love these eyebrows. You'll see when I take off my makeup what eyebrows I'm talking about. The next thing I do is I wash my face. Currently, right now, I'm using CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser, but it's not doing nothing for my face. If you want to know another fun fact about me, my favorite face wash is the Jack Black Daily Cleanser, which made my skin super smooth. I got rid of all of my acne. I was just left with beautiful, healthy skin. But I ran out, and my work used to sell it, but no, it doesn't anymore, and it's really expensive. So I haven't been able to have it. So I've been having to improvise until I can find somewhere that sells it for cheaper. If you want to know my favorite cleanser, the Jack Black Daily Facial Cleanser is my favorite, but for right now we're stuck with this one. So always wash your hands before you wash your face, because you could have germs that you don't know about on your hands. You don't know where your hands have been. So always do that before washing your face. Tip of the day. Gonna put in my retainer. Ta-da! You can't see it, but it's in there. You can tell by the way I'm talking. Random fact about my retainer: I used to have a wire one, you know, like the ones that you see in movies where it's like a band across the front and then like a big old chunk of plastic on the roof of your mouth. That's what I used to have. I got this one a few days ago because I've been clenching my teeth in my sleep because of stress. So another fun fact, I clench my teeth in my sleep when I'm stressed. Next, I'm doing the moisturizer on my face, which I also use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm gonna turn down my bed. Another fun fact about me, I got this pillow when I was 3 years old for my 3rd birthday, and I've slept with it every night since then. So 15 years I've had this pillow and I've slept with it every night. This is my security blanket. If you don't know, my dog Sugar, she's blind. Obviously she's not used to being down here. I have to put her in a specific place so that she knows that she's safe. So that's why I put her all the way up against the pillows and in a blanket so that she knows that she has at least a little bit of leg room to move around and to sleep. Now I'm gonna put on my chapstick. Fun fact, my biggest pet peeve is dry skin. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen the story of me and my pens, but this is one of my pens. It's a brand new pack that I got for college. I'm a future teacher, so things like new pens, new notebooks, like new folders, like just new school supplies just gets me really excited. Today we're using the color green, and I'm going to journal and read my scriptures, and we'll go to that point. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna give you another fun fact. My biggest fear is whales. I hate whales. They're terrifying. Their music is terrifying. The fact that they're so big is terrifying. I just can't imagine, can't wrap my head around how big they are. And just like their music is just so haunting. Like I'll pass on that. Now that I'm done journaling and reading, I'm going to get in bed and turn off the light so it's just my LED, and I'm going to read some Harry Potter. Judge me all you want, but I don't have a library card. So this is my 2nd time reading this book. It's my favorite of the series. It's the 3rd one, which is Prisoner of Azkaban. My least favorite is the 5th book, which is Order of the Phoenix, I believe. So if that's your favorite, I'm sorry, but that book is so boring and that movie is so dumb and pointless. So is the book. So there you go. Laying it out in front of you, the truth comes out. The 5th Harry Potter is garbage. Anyways, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Good night.